Good morning, 6th class students. So up to now we completed the two lessons. Our first lesson name is the food we need. So in that lesson the topics that we learned are the why we take the food. By taking the food, what we get. What are the varieties of the food that we eat. And also we learned about the ingredients. Where from we get these ingredients, whether from the plant sources or from the animal sources. And we learned about the different methods of cooking, different methods of preservation, how to make the food tasty, and what are the how the people that develop the food habits. Next, coming to the second lesson, knowing about the plants. So in that lesson milk. So what is the food habit of this buffalo? So when you see the food habit of the buffalo, it eats grass, oil cake, hay, grains. It eats grass, oil cake, hay, grains. What is the meaning of oil cake? Oil cake. Some seeds they are used for making the oil. For example, you think about the groundnut, sunflower. So these seeds they are used to make the oil. The the human beings, crows, dog. So these are all the examples as they are eating both plants and animals. Best example are human beings. We ourselves, we eat plants and also we eat the animals. These type of the animals you call them as omnivores. Another example is given in your textbook, another category, that is frugivorous. It is included newly in your textbook, that is frugivores. Frugivores are the animals that eat only the fruits, only the raw fruits. They eat raw fruits. What is meant by raw fruits? Raw fruits అంటే పచ్చివి మాగక ముందుకే తినే వాటిని frugivores. So what they eat means they eat raw fruits, succulent fruits, succulent fruits. Succulent means what? Juicy fruits. All the fruits that contain the juice. So which kind of the animals they are? The frugivorous animals. These frugivores are the animals that eat the raw fruits. They are all the mammals. They are the mammals. What is the meaning of mammal? Here, what is the meaning of mammal? Mammals are the organisms that they give birth to young ones, and feed them young ones and feed them by milk They take care of their children by feeding them with the help of the milk. So all the mammal animals they mostly consume the raw fruits and the succulent fruits. So that type of the animals you call them as frugivorous. What do you call them as? Frugivorous. Okay, so animals they are categorized into herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. So herbivores are the animals that take plants and plant products. Carnivores are the animals that eat only animals. Omnivores are the animals that take both plants and the animals. Frugivores are the animals that take raw fruits and raw vegetables and succulent fruits, succulent vegetables, succulent leaves, succulent stems, everything. What is the meaning of succulent? Means juicy. Apna watermelon. Have you seen that watermelon? When you cut open that watermelon, it is juicy inside. That type of the fruits, they are called as succulent fruits. So these fruits are eaten by which kind of the animals? Means the animals, mammalian animals. Mammalian animals means what? Mammals are the animals that give birth to their young ones and they feed their babies with the help of the milk. So almost all these kind of the animals, they are called the frugivorous animals. Now understood about the classification of the animals. In the next class we learn about the modes of the getting food habits, how the animals they get the food.